I've just got back from my trip to go and collect this, the Lathe. A bit of a long trip. It snowed today as well, so that slowed things down. Obviously first test for the trailer, having a load on it, but it went perfectly. It's nice and smooth to tow, so that's fantastic. Didn't make a single noise either. Most of the trailers I've towed in the past always clang and clash and make loads of noise. This one I had to keep on looking back to make sure it was still attached to the car, because it was that quiet. Right, so 1 cup of coffee, that is going to go cold now. So there was 2 of us when we loaded it onto the trailer, so that was a bit easier. Now I'm on my own, so I'm going to have to use the car lift to jiggle this around a bit and get that off the trailer. Okay, I better move the coffee so I will spill it as well. Right. Yeah, man. Yeah, boy. But because I'm excited about getting this off the trailer and giving it a test, I'm going to loosely throw everything in that corner. And hopefully someone will come and tidy it. Which obviously won't happen. I'll just upset myself for tomorrow having to tidy that up first. So I've got limited time at the moment because the snow has closed the school. So I promised my daughter that I'm going to take her to the soft play area. And that's... I said I'd be back at 2, which is probably about 30 minutes away. Almost took my rack off the wall. Okay, it doesn't go high enough, does it? That's upsetting. Okay, never mind, I just have to struggle. Don't know how I'm going to struggle, but I'm going to struggle. All these bits here are really heavy, you see, so I don't really want to take them off unless I have to. Coffee, think about it, logical. I need more room. Room I don't have. So, I'm getting myself in a pickle. The motor, this bit, that kind of sandwiches in between the lathe base and the actual lathe. So I need to put that on first, then that, all onto that, and bolt it down with a socket I don't have because it's some imperial thread that I just don't have anything to screw, unscrew, do up, do down with, if that makes any sense. Right. Struggle a bit more. I tell you, the castings on this thing are huge. It's a 1950 something lathe, I think it is. It's a Mellor 3.5 inch lathe. Yeah, that's just come off my hand. I'll have to put that back on. Come on. Here you go. That's it, Betty. And you come this way. So when I was picking it up, although I knew it was an old lathe, I didn't have any of the right sockets. So it was a bit awkward. But fortunately, the guy that I got it from, he owns his own, or is retiring now, but he owned his own woodworking business, and he had the lathe and some sockets to fit it, because he's, I don't know, maybe tooling or something for his CNC wood lathe. I don't know, something like that. Nice guy. But anyway, lifty again. I might lifty on one eye this time. considering it's so snowy this morning, it's really warm now. Granted, I've been moving heavy things around, so that's warmed me up quite nicely, but I'm quite surprised how warm it's gone, considering. Right, so I've got to try and get that washer up in here. I don't know if you guys can see down that hole, but down there somewhere, right down there, is a thread that the bolt goes through. Racing against time now, guys. I know that phone call from the other half isn't far out. That's my phone. My limit must be here. And I'm going to have to say good night for one day and go home. Which is upsetting, but I did promise, so. Seems very smooth. Let's just check my phone. When you home? Yes, it's 12 minutes past 2. So I'm going to have to go. Well, there we go. Right. So yeah, I'll come back to this video tomorrow. I'm going to give it a try, do some test cuts, whatnot, and see what it's all about. Okay. In the meantime, have fun, go build, be safe.